Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic pregnancy. It is the condition of carrying one or more embryos in the uterus. It is also called as gestation. It refers to the period between fertilization of the egg up to parturition. The average period of pregnancy in human lasts for 266 days of fertilization or 280 days. 266 plus 14 counted from LMC, last menstruation cycle. This pregnancy period is approximately 9 months, is divided into 3 trimesters of 3 months each, first, second and third trimester. So we will discuss them one by one. First trimester, from fertilization to 12th week. It is the time of most radical changes in the mother and embryo. The embryo receives nutrients in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endometrium. It is the main period of organogenesis and the development of body organs. By the end of 8th week, the major structures found in the adult are formed in the embryo in a rudimentary form. The embryo is now called fetus. The embryo is called fetus. It is about 3 cm long. Arms, hands, fingers, feet, toes are formed. Fetus can open and close mouths and fist. CNS, central nervous system, is fully formed. Working of excretory and circulatory systems begin. So, while writing the description of trimesters, first, second, third, you have to mention the duration, the development and size. Okay? Movements of fetus begin but mother cannot feel it. Heartbeat can be heard from 6th week. Progesterone level becomes high and menstrual cycle is suspended till the end of pregnancy. At the end of first trimester, fetus is about 7 to 10 cm. The period is 12 weeks. After 8 weeks, the size is 3 cm, and at the end of 12th week, the size is 7 to 10 cm long. Meanwhile, the mother's body also undergoes rapid changes. High levels of progesterone initiate changes in her reproductive system. The maternal part of placenta grows. The uterus becomes larger in this period, and the mother experiences morning sickness, nausea, vomiting, mood swings, etc. Now we will discuss second trimester. The period from 13th to 26th week. It is a period of rapid growth of fetus. The uterus grows enough for the pregnancy to become obvious. Fetus is very active and grows to about 30 cm. See the size differences. Initially 3 cm, then 7 to 10 cm, now it is 30 cm. Development of brain begins. Hormone levels stabilize as HCG declines. The corpus luteum deteriorates and placenta completely takes over the production of progesterone, which maintains the pregnancy. Ultrasound sonography at 18 to 20 weeks shows baby's growth and position. From this, estimated due date of delivery can be established. Baby's movement can be easily felt by the mother. Head has hair, eyebrows and eyelashes appear. Pinna are distinct. The baby reaches half the size of a newborn. Third trimester from 27th week till the parturition. The fetus grow about 3 to 4 kg in weight and 50 cm in length. Eyes are open. There is gain in body weight. As the fetus grows, the uterus expands around it. The mother's abdominal organs become compressed and displaced, leading to frequent urination, digestive blockages, and strain in the back muscle. At the end of third trimester, the fetus becomes fully developed and ready for parturition. Placenta, it is flattened discoidal organ in the uterus of a pregnant woman. The placenta is a temporary structural and functional connection between fetal and maternal circulation. The placenta facilitates the supply of oxygen and nutrients and also for removal of carbon dioxide and excretory waste produced by the fetus. The placenta is attached to the wall of uterus and to the baby's umbilical cord. This is placenta. Placenta is the only organ which is formed of tissues from two different individuals. Remember this thing, this statement is important. Placenta is the only organ which is formed of tissues from two different individuals, the mother and the fetus. See here, you may get confused. Two different tissues of two different individuals, the mother and the fetus, and not mother and the father. This is due to mother and the fetus. Part of placenta contribution by the fetus is called fetal placenta, and it is the chorionic villi. These are the finger-like structure or tree-like structure is called villi. The other part which is rich in blood supply shared by the mother is a part of uterine wall termed as maternal placenta. So human placenta is hemochorial, is called hemochorial. The umbilical cord is formed of three blood vessels. Of these three blood vessels, two are small arteries which carry blood towards the placenta, and one is the large vein which returns blood to the fetus. Placenta also acts as endocrine tissue and produces hormones like HCG, progesterone, estrogen, while relaxin is secreted by the ovary in the latter phase of pregnancy. Levels of HCG increases up to the end of first trimester and then it declines. By the end of first trimester, progesterone is produced by placenta. These hormones are required for fetal growth and maintenance of pregnancy. So we discuss about stages in pregnancy. You have to remember duration, development and names of the different hormones. Okay, thank you.